Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the difference or demonstrate the difference between bubbles and smart pop-up view floating notifications. So to get to these settings, first you tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. And here tap on the settings icon. Next we scroll down, then tap on notifications. And from here, tap on notification. We go down and tap on advanced settings. Then tap on floating notifications. Now in here, you can choose between bubbles and smart pop-up view. This is what it looks like when I select smart pop-up view. Here I receive the message notifications. If I tap on the icon, it will show as a smart pop-up view. Here I can close it. Now if I select bubble, and it will show a pop-up with a brief message content in the notifications. And that's it. So that is the difference between the two. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.